Okay, thank you for joining today last session. So we've now come to the end where we've covered our 3 learning outcomes, our method and tools analysis unit. So today we'll now look into our assignment discussion, where we'll now introduce our topics, and we will now look into the tasks. We'll be given a scenario and we'll now look into the tasks that has to be covered. So we all know that we follow a Harvard referencing style when it comes to referencing and sourcing our assignment, our informations. And we also have to look into our documentation structure and formatting. So here we have a couple of tips, such as it is good practice to put a name and the unit name of the name. Start with a bit of introduction of the unit. So also have a table of contents, which shows all the topics for each page. Write each activity, each AC for each task. And also don't mention it for task 1. So here we have assignment declaration, also which you need to sign and return with your assignment. Again, here we have a couple of useful tips where we need to ensure that we read the task carefully. Now follow command verbs, and we ensure that our referencing style is completed effectively. So we have a word limit where for a pass grade, we just need to write between 3,500 to 4,000. For a merit, the range is between 4,500 and 5,000. For a distinction is between 5,000 and 5,500 words. So we already watched our video regarding Harvard referencing style, which is not something new to you. So assessment and feedback process. So we know that you need to email your assignment to learnerwork@ukversity.co.uk, where you have to also mention the grades that you aim for. And also you now receive an auto-acknowledge that the assignment has been marked by the tutor. You know that you will now get your feedback within 2 weeks. And for any sort of queries on the unit, you can now email me directly or contact me through WhatsApp. Or also you can send an email to learnerwork@ukversity.co.uk. In case there are resubmissions, which might be required, you're now requested to highlight the work that you've added, and this highlight has to be in yellow, which will now make it easier for me as your assessor to identify the changes that have been made to the existing work. So we've been given a scenario where you're now currently working for a local car hire company in the data analysis team. Your team creates businesses and management information for other teams and development, including senior management. So your team has been asked to deliver a new data analysis project that will now produce data to the company directors about the performance of a newly launched product, long-term flexible company car hire. So task number 1, prepare presentation explaining methods and tools for data analysis. Explain the purpose of data analysis method with example. Describe the role of company analysis tools. Include visual method to represent data analysis outcomes. So the methods and tools. Common methods will now be data extraction, manipulation, and transformation. Treatment of the structure of the structured and unstructured data. The common tools that will now be required are going to be Excel, SQL, and query database. Visualization tool for representing and data effectively. Task 1, visual representation. So with the visual method, enhance understanding of data. Use graphs and charts to illustrate findings. Avoid unnecessary complexity and ensure clarity. Task number 2. ATHE is keen that the new analysis is considering using experience and the domain content. So she wants you to create a briefing document for the rest of the data analysis team where you can explain this. Create a briefing document focusing on user experience and domain content. Describe the importance of domain knowledge for effective data analysis. Evaluate how data analysis can influence data behavior. So domain knowledge. Domain knowledge is critical for understanding data sources, ensuring data analysis is relevant and accurate, ensuring user experience. User behavior evaluation. So with data analysis influence user behavior by providing insight that shape decision making, encourage behavioral changes based on data-driven results. Task 3. ATHE wants to make sure that new long-term flexible company car hire analysis is based on customer requirements. She wants you to write a short report for the senior manager team about this principle. Write a report on requirement gathering for customer-based data analysis. Explain the process and people involved. Identify and document requirements for a simple data analysis task. Compare requirement gathering in different project methodologies, such as agile, iterative, flexible and adaptive, waterfall, linear and structured. Analyze when each approach is more suitable. Extension activity. To achieve a merit, the report will need to compare different requirement gathering techniques. To achieve a distinction, your report will need to analyze the difference for requirement gathering in iterative, agile, and waterfall projects. So to summarize, task 1 is simply a presentation with a speaker note slides, where learners should describe various tools used to extract, manipulate, and transform data, such as database query, visual manipulation, programmatical manipulation, and visualization tools. task 2 is going to be a report on Microsoft Word document, and task 3 will be just the same Microsoft Word document. So again, this is pretty much everything you need to know for the assignment. Is there any question for me?
Hi, Victor. Nope, that's all very clear. Yeah, I think this is probably the unit I feel probably most confident about because it's just basically what I do. So no questions, and yeah, the format of how to display it, in a slide deck in Word, that's absolutely fine. So yeah, no, that all looks good. Thank you.
Okay, that's good to hear. So if there are any questions, then I will see you tomorrow.
All right, see you tomorrow, Victor. Thanks again. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.